Transmission of impulses. Transmission of impulses, that is nerve impulse from one neuron to other neuron, occurs through the junctions known as synapses. This synapses or synapse is made up of membranes of pre and post synaptic neuron, and there may be or may not be a fluid-filled junction or gap known as synaptic cleft present. There are two types of synapses, electrical synapses and chemical synapses. Electrical synapses are in more close proximity between the membrane of pre and post synaptic neurons. They are faster in action, but they are found very rare in our system. Chemical synapses, they are made up of synaptic cleft, which is fluid filled junction responsible for the release of neurotransmitters, and these neurotransmitters are responsible for carrying the nerve impulse or transmitting the nerve impulse. Let us understand it through this diagram. You can see here, when there is an external stimuli is applied to axon terminal, synaptic vesicles fuse, they move towards and fuse with plasma membrane. Hence, they release neurotransmitters in synaptic cleft. This released neurotransmitters, they bind to specific receptors so present in post membrane of postsynaptic neurons, and hence it leads to generation of potential, that is conduction of nerve impulse. CNS, Central Nervous System. It consists of brain. Brain is protected by a skull. You can see in the diagram, brain is protected by a skull. After skull, cranial meninges protect the brain. This cranial meninges, inner to these, dura mater is present, and in between dura mater, a thin middle layer known as arachnoid is present, and the innermost layer is pia mater. Brain can further be divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. You can see the brain in this diagram and the various parts of the brain.